Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain experiment 11, that is to verify the truth table of full adder using logic gates belonging to analog and digital electronics lab pertaining to 3rd sem E&E diploma. The aim of this experiment is to construct and verify the truth table of full adder circuit using logic gates. The materials required for the conduction of this experiment are digital IC trainer kit, IC 7486 XOR gate, IC 74808 that is AND gate, IC 7432 that is OR gate, patch cords for the connections, digital IC tester. Adder is an electronic circuit which performs binary addition. There are two types of adders, half adder and full adder. Half adder accepts two binary digits on its inputs and produces two binary digits on its outputs, that is sum output and a carry output. Full adder accepts two input bits and also a carry input and generates a sum output and a carry output. The main difference between half adder and full adder is that the full adder accepts an input carry. The full adder circuit can be implemented with the help of two half adders. This is the circuit diagram of full adder. For the realization of this circuit, two XOR gates are used, two AND gates are used and one OR gate is used. The Boolean expression for the sum output is A XOR B XOR Cin and the carry output is AB plus A XOR B into Cin. So this is the truth table of full adder circuit. Procedure for conducting the experiment is as follows.
Video, I will explain how to verify the truth table of full adder circuit using IC 7408, 7432 and 7486. The materials required for this experiment are digital IC trainer kit, IC 7408, 7432, 7486, patch cords and multimeter. Before rig up the full adder circuit, we will verify the truth table of XOR gate. It is also a 14-pin IC. The pin configuration of this IC is similar to that of AND and OR gates. This is IC 7486. This is the notch. We should be come to our left side. This is pin number 1, pin number 7, pin number 8, pin number 14. Now I am inserting this IC into the IC socket. Connect pin number 7 to ground, pin number 14 to VCC. Pin number 1 and 2 are connected to the input terminals. Pin number 3 is connected to the output terminal. Switch on the digital IC trainer. According to this table, this IC gives output only for the different combination of inputs. So here I am applying the different combination of inputs. So the output is 1. For the same combination of inputs, the output is 0. Output is 0. When both the inputs are at logic high level, output is also 0. So insert XOR gate, AND gate and OR gate to the IC socket. Now connect pin number 7 of all ICs to ground. Pin number 14 of all ICs to VCC. Now I am going to rig up the circuit. Pin number 1 and 2 of XOR gates are connected to the input terminal. Pin number 1 is connected to the input terminal. Pin number 2 is also connected to the input terminal. Pin number 3 is connected to the pin number 4 of the XOR gate. So pin number 3 is connected to pin number 4 of the same gate. Pin number 5 of XOR gate is connected to C input, and one more input is connected to pin number 5. So these three are the input terminals. Pin number 6 is the sum output. Pin number 6 of XOR gate is the sum output. So next, coming to the carry connection, pin number 1 of XOR gate is connected to pin number 1 of AND gate. Pin number 1 of XOR gate, this point, pin number 2 of XOR gate is connected to pin number 2 of AND gate. This is pin number 2 of XOR gate. This is connected to the second input of the AND gate. Pin number 3 of AND gate is connected to pin number 2 of OR gate. This is output terminal of the AND gate. This is connected to the second input of the OR gate. Pin number 3 of XOR gate is connected to pin number 4 of AND gate. This is connected to pin number 4 of AND gate. Pin number 5 of XOR gate is connected to pin number 5 of AND gate. Pin number 6 of AND gate is connected to pin number 1 of OR gate. Pin number 3 of OR gate is the carry output. This is the carry output. So now we will verify the truth table of full adder. So these three are the inputs A, B and C. This is sum output, this is carry output. When all the inputs are 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. When C input is 1, then sum is 1, carry is 0. When A and C are 0 and B is 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. When both B and C are 1, then sum is 0, carry is 1. When A is 1, B and C are 0, then sum is 1, carry is 0. When both A and C are 1, then sum is 0, carry is 1. When both A and B are 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. When all the inputs are 1, then both sum and carry outputs are 1. So this is the truth table verification of full adder using XOR, AND and OR gates.